Meaning of ennoblement.
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 Ennoblement. Ennoblement refers to the act of elevating someone's social status, often by granting them a title of honor or recognition. The result of ennoblement can vary depending on the culture and society it takes place in, but commonly includes increased prestige, influence, and privileges for the individual who receives the ennoblement. In some cases, ennoblement may also lead to greater responsibilities and expectations from society. Overall, ennoblement is a way for societies to recognize and reward individuals for their contributions or status.